Hi everybody, welcome back. Okay, so this is my beautiful Italian door, and as you know, I finished it on the picture on the last video, and since then I've been sitting with it, and the thing that I wanted to take through to June is just behold the beauty of the past. So in that I made this beautiful little fold. This is made from cards. I'm pretty sure I've done a tutorial on that, and it has all these gorgeous pictures of mine and doorways and things from my travels. And this little concertina, it just sits in my studio. So what I thought I'd do is actually put it into the behind the door and attach it so that when this opens out, you can actually you'll be able to see, you know, all of the beautiful works. And what I was going to do was I was actually going to sticky tape. I was actually going to sticky tape that on so that you could actually be opened out completely. So in saying that, what I need to do before I do that, because I need to cover this. I've cut this out, by the way, like I've cut this out, and I've also folded a piece which is probably only, well, it's just a little bit bigger than just a bit bigger actually. It's about 1 centimeter, yeah, wide. It's just so that this can actually fit in there like so. Now when it does fit in there, because I have done that, it will allow this area here to go white. So what I'm going to do is I have one of my printables, and I'm just going to actually cut out a piece of paper that is going to cover for me that bit there and also that door, because as you know, we glue this together and this door opens and it all becomes kind of cool. All right, so that's actually what I'm going to do. I'm just going to decide which bit I want to cut out here for these. I don't think it really matters that much. I don't know whether I'll use grunge or whether I'll use an actual doorway, but yeah, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to stop talking and just get a pair of scissors, I think, and do that. I might mark out with a pencil, just lining those where I'm going to glue them. I'm just going to mark out with a pencil that area, just so I know that it's that big. This piece of paper was used to cut out the door. So this piece of cardboard, that was all that was used for, and then I just cut the door frame out. Okay, so maybe I'll just do you don't have to be too fussy about this, of course, because this is actually going to be glued down, remember? So I'm just going to cover that area up with glue really quickly, and then just put this down here, and that's the bit that's going to go in there at the back. So when that stands up, that will all blend in so nicely. And then on this side I think I actually will do that, will just work perfectly. So I'm just going to do that door glue that on that door Just use that. So I could just do it that way. Just maybe remove that a little bit there. Okay, so we're just going to whack some glue on there. Just going to put that in the middle. And it's not quite perfect, which is fine, because I'm just going to I wanted to do the edge of the door anyway, so I'll just do the door's edge, and then while it's there, I'm just going to run a wet brush over it. Like so. Tiny little bit of black ink that was kicking around. That'll darken it up a bit, and also do the edge of the door. Right. Now, I probably should wait for that to dry a little bit before I go any further, but you know me, I'm just gonna do it, then I'll leave it to dry. I might come in with a bit even more darker just to cover up those extra bits later on. Not going to really notice them though, because I am going to stick this on here so that can be seen both sides. So yeah, all right. And first of all, I'm going to glue this down. So lining them up like so. Now, I haven't sealed this yet, so I'm just going to push that down on this side. Oops. All right. I've got some of these wonderful Scotch Magic tape. Now I think I'm just going to stick that on there. Like so. And that's how that's going to be. Now, I don't know how you might notice I've actually, I've put the doorknob on this side and I've cut it that side. So that's a oddity. But no matter. I'm not really going to worry about it. This is fantastic. I don't know whether you guys use this, but this tape is awesome. It just kind of vanishes. Magically. That's the magic tape. Yep. So I am going to spend a little bit of time, not on camera, but I will spend a little bit of time fixing up that. And the closure, I'm not sure whether I'm going to do a closure or not, because I really would like it to, you know, once the book is opened, it's a bit like this one, and I understand that that next one is actually quite thick, but it's like this one, you know. I'd like people to play with it, unveil it, look at the work that's inside it. So I will put a finished picture of this one up. So that's me. Behold the Beauty of the Past is what I'm taking through to June. And I'm going away extremely soon. So I really think that that will be, I'm going away for a couple of weeks. So yeah, June 1, May. It's going to be interesting because it is actually, I've chosen it's going to be modern. So that will be that will be challenging, I think, yeah, because I'm going away into the country. But that's okay. So the next one is modern. I always do like challenging myself. I look forward to seeing you with me, you know, coming on this journey with me. And thank you so much for all your subscriptions and your likes. I hope you're doing the 5-minute challenge every day. That is a really good structure to have. And yeah, catch you next Monday. Okay, bye.